What's up, YouTube? This is Antoine with Chum Chum Production coming to you with a video on the US government who owns more than 1% of total Bitcoin supply. There's some rumors going on that the government's planning on forfeiting their holdings of over 6 figures in BTC. I believe it's 210,000. I'll leave a link to this description in the description for this video so you guys can check it out. But if the government dumps this 210,000 BTC they got, along with Mount Gox people that's gonna get restored their Bitcoin for 2014 or 13, the price of Bitcoin could come down to $6,488 or less, or 8K between 6,800, 6,400 and 8K. I'll say 8,000, which is a great buying opportunity. So Ethereum should be like 250, $200, $300, somewhere in there. So what you want to do is Bitcoin come down to 6,400. Hopefully you got enough bread stacked up that you've been drawing interest in and staking USDT or USDC, so you can put in a sizable position on BTC and buy as much Ethereum as you can. At least that's what my plan is here. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video up on this here because I just found this information very interesting. I've been telling you guys, have been watching my videos since early this year. Bitcoin was going to be dropping down significantly, you know. So here we are. So there's only more woes coming. You know what I'm saying? More woes because the market. We in the midst of the bear market. And I tell you guys another ticker to check out too is Coinbase ticker. They stock. You know, if you got a TD Ameritrade account, you can get it on there. It's like $57, down from $355 last year to $57. It came down to $40 not too long ago, but now it's at 57. I mean, you can get 10 of them for $570. Now you get over $1,000. That's you talking about $10,000 for that 10 that you paid like 350 or whatever for, or 370, something like that. Anyway, that's about all I got for you guys. So you guys have a good one. Peace. Hello?